Hi guys, this is Venancio and you're watching Fitness with Venancio. To my right is Sagar, my left is Chandni, and we're going to do a kettlebell basic strength workout. So all you need is one kettlebell, or if it's not a kettlebell, you can have anything else. Like we're going to use a box, a cleaner box, and this is what we're going to use as well for the workout. Yep. So we don't have to say that I don't have this and I don't have that. Like we say, it's fitness anytime, any place, anyhow. So it's a basic workout where we're going to cover all the major body parts. So we're going to work through the legs, work through the chest, through the back, to the shoulders, to the arms. I'm going to add some core work and some lower back work to finish up. So everything under one, and you can do this workout again. Like I said, you can do it for time, you can do it for repetitions, you choose. So the repetitions would be between 8 and 12. And if you're looking for time, it'll be about 40 seconds with 30 seconds to recover, or 20 seconds to recover, or 40 seconds to recover based on your fitness goals. So here we go. Shoulder rolls, move to the back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and forward, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we're moving out, arms out to the sides and circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Big circles to the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Circle out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bring it down. Keep your feet hip width apart. And we're going to add short squats first. So we're just going down, sit down, hinge at the hip to push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just get some blood moving back into the quads. 7 and 8. You want to work it out. Reach out to the sides. And we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just lean over on top, hold down, and hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bring it back in. So we're going to start off with the kettlebell, with the goblet squat. So we want to pick the kettlebell up. So if you're picking the kettlebell up, make sure you've got it in front of you, both hands on the bell, hinge at the hip, bend at the knee to pick up, straight up. From here, we're going to squat down. You can go out as far as you want to go. Just go on to your own level, basically, wherever you are. If you want to do half, you do half. You want to do the whole thing, you do the whole thing. We're going to go down to the whole thing so you can see the form completely. It's down. Try and make sure that the back is straight. Just go to the natural curve of your spine. Breathe. Inhale on the way down. Exhale as you come up. And 10. Very good. You bring it up. Take the kettlebell down again. You rest for about 30 seconds, 40 seconds, however much you want to rest for. Not too long, don't go over a minute. So when you're finished up, you're going down, take a knee, pick that bell, reach over, just pull back to the side. Okay, you want to hold the kettlebell up by the horns again. Lie down, kettlebell's up to the chest, head down to the floor, and we're pressing up. So 1, 2, make sure the elbows come on the insides and they don't flare out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. You want to bring that bell down, keep it down to the side. That was a floor press. We're going to come all the way up. Reach to the top. Rest for another 30 seconds, 40, 50, or a minute. That bell out in front of you. Lean down. You can take your hands over the bell to hold up. lift up, pull the elbows past the shoulders and the back, drop down just till you get an extension at the shoulders and at the arm. Do not overextend it, and pull in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull it into the sternum. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. And you want to press it down again. Take another 30 seconds off, 40, 50, or a minute before you move on to the next one. Again, pick that bell up, bring it in, hold it by the horns, and you're pressing straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. You bring it down again, set it down, again rest for 30, 40, 50, or a minute. Moving down to the front of the arm, so we're going to curl it. So you want to pick the bell up again, lift it up. This time hold the horns in a pronated grip and you curl it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, very good. 5, keep the elbow, the upper arm very stable. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Press it down again. So you're resting again for 30, 40, 50, or 60 seconds before you lift it up to add an extension all the way down to the triceps. So you grab the bell in by the horns, take it up, and press it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're not extending the lower back. So there's no hyperextension on the lower back. Just stable to the shoulders to press up. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring it in, set it down. We're going to move down and we're going to add flutter kicks again. Take about a minute off, or 30 seconds to a minute. Lean down. This is going to go across. So we're going to hold the bell with the bottoms facing us. Bend down to the knee. Press it up. Look forward, right in between the legs. Make sure the lower back stays into the floor, and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Bring it down. Push the bell out to the sides. Take about a minute off, 30 seconds to a minute. Turn around. Face down towards the floor. Arms down to the sides. Make sure you're trying to push the fingers down towards the ankles as you come up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. So we've seen the first one. We've seen the basic moves. They're all basic moves. You can get these done. You can do 2 rounds, you can do 3 rounds, you can do 4 rounds, you can do 5 rounds. It's all up to you. If you're starting, just start off with 1 round each. Progress to 2, 3, 4 until you get to 5. The weights would depend on how much weight you're using. If you're using a big amount of weight, 3 rounds will be more than enough. But apart from that, this is it. It's basic stuff. We will cover more as we move into round 2 of the bells. So until then, take it easy. Keep training. We'll see you on the next one, next round. Thank you.